request Chairperson, National Human Rights Commission, Honorable Justice Sri V. Ramasubramanian to kindly address this August gathering.
The most revered Honorable President of India, the Honorable members of the National Human Rights Commission of India, the Secretary General, the United Nations Resident Coordinator, the Honorable members of the International Diplomatic Community, distinguished invitees, the chairpersons and members of the various state human rights commissions, representatives of the central and state governments, human rights defenders, members of the print and electronic media. A very happy Human Rights Day to all of you. At the outset, I thank the Honorable President of India from the bottom of my heart for graciously accepting our invitation to preside over this year's Human Rights Day function. Madam, your presence here as the first citizen of this country is a morale booster for the National Human Rights Commission of India, and we are indebted to you for this kind gesture. Out of 365 or 366 days of a year, some are of special significance, while some days may be festival days of importance for a section of the society. Some may be of regional and some others may be of national importance. But if there is one day which is of international importance for all the people of all the countries, irrespective of religious, cultural, racial, linguistic, and ethnic differences, it is December 10. It is not just another day in the calendar of a year. It is a day which gave wings to the dreams, liberation to the thoughts, freedom to the expressions, courage to the convictions, and dignity to the very existence of the human race. In Delhi, the month of December is associated with winter, if not pollution. But interestingly, it is a matter of coincidence that the month of December at the international level has always been associated with human rights. The English Bill of Rights received the royal assent on 16th December 1689. The first 10 amendments to the US Constitution, known as United States Bill of Rights, got ratified on 15th December 1791, and the 13th Amendment to the US Constitution, abolishing slavery, was ratified on 6th December 1865. There are 9 core international human rights instruments, out of which 8 were adopted in the month of December of various years. Therefore, there appears to be a very strange connection between December and human rights. There are different ways of celebrating an event. We can cut cakes, distribute sweets, fire crackers, have a feast, and make ourselves happy. But a celebration associated with an important event in history, such as this, is not meant for entertainment. It is intended to prompt us to have introspection and to encourage us to redeem our pledge to promote human rights as inalienable, indivisible, and interdependent human values. It is only when human rights are elevated to the level of human values that this celebration will achieve its purpose. On March 27, 1958, Eleanor Roosevelt delivered a speech at the United Nations to commemorate the 10th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In her speech, Eleanor Roosevelt, who chaired the Commission on Human Rights which drafted the UDHR, sought an answer to a very, very fundamental question. The question was, where do human rights begin? She said, I quote, human rights begin in small places, close to home, so close and so small that they cannot be seen on any maps of the world. Yet, they are the world of the individual person, the neighborhood he lives in, the school or college he attends, the factory, farm, or office where he works. Such are the places where every man, woman, and child seeks equal justice, equal opportunity, equal dignity without discrimination. Unless these rights have meaning there, they have little meaning everywhere. I unquote. Therefore, let us take this opportunity to rededicate ourselves to the cause of protecting and promoting human rights. Thank you. Jai Hind.